Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 volume control not working. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your volume control is not working on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. Just click yes, open audio enhancement. Guys, you need to check mark this option, disable all enhancement. Just click on apply, click OK. Close this window. Just right click on start menu, click on task manager. In this you need to find Windows Explorer, just press W key, or you can scroll down from here. You can see Windows Explorer, just right click and click on restart. After doing this, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the third method. Click on start menu, search for services. Click on services. Here you need to find Windows Audio. Just press W key. You can see here Windows Audio. Double click on this. You need to select automatic. Click on start and apply.